Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Peter Nischwitz. Welcome to a new episode of our well-known and popular Ask Glaston series. Today with another topic of our business area, insulating glass. 2 years ago, Glaston introduced the new glass arrissing machine multi-arrisser into the market. In the next few minutes, I would like to talk with our expert Gennady Shadrin, Head of Research and Development at Glaston, Germany, about the background and the special features of this machine. Hello Gennady.
Hello Peter.
Glaston's glass arrissing machine multi-arrisser has been on the market for 2 years now. Why was this machine developed?
There were two main reasons for the development of this machine. At first, we have seen that the safety requirements are increasing in many countries for some years now. And in general, this is a really positive development because operating and handling of glass which is not arrissed is always a risk for every worker, for every operator, for everyone who touches the glass. Cuts can happen very quickly. So in this respect, it's absolutely understandable. The point is to increase the safety of glass handling, it's necessary to arriss the sharp glass edges. And it makes sense to dub the sharp corners too. In addition, we have seen that the technical requirements and the needs for glass are increasing in general. For example, the proportion of safety glass is increasing continuously. And one very important preparation for the production of tempered glass is the arrissing of the edge. It's necessary because of the micro cracks which occur during the cutting and breaking process beforehand. We see this both tendencies and we expect that the development will go further in this direction. And in order to cope with these developments and to offer our customers future-proof solutions, we have developed the new multi-arrisser machine.
What is special about the multi-arrisser and what added value does this machine offer our customers?
The multi-arrisser does indeed have many special features. And our goal in the development was to set a new benchmark in arrissing of architectural glass. I would like to elaborate on 3 points. The first one is the cup wheel technology. In contrast to the usual state-of-the-art, we use in our machine this cup wheel technology. And this technology has a lot of advantages. For example, we have a 10 times higher lifetime of the tool. So with this cup wheel here, it's possible to process 200,000 meters of glass. And in addition, the quality is also significantly higher. By the way, this is the reason why the solution is economically very attractive and has convinced many customers. Then I would like to highlight the new features. With the multi-arrisser, it's possible now to arriss the flat edge side, to dub the corners, and glass panes with radius are possible too. These features were not possible with the old machine generation. And finally, I would like to highlight the speed. By using the cup wheel technology and the cup wheels, which are especially designed and developed for this application, we achieve an arrissing speed of up to 60 meters per minute. And with this speed, the multi-arrisser is the fastest single-head machine worldwide.
What lessons have we learned since the market launch?
I think the most important finding for us was the independent confirmation of the core benefits from our customers. With the core benefits, I mean the quality, the process speed, the new features and so on. And to see that these benefits are really there in a daily production and not just written on paper was very important for us. In terms of machine layout overall, we have seen that there is not one perfect solution for all requirements. Depending on the production mix, we configure the run-in and run-out conveyors according to the customer specifications. And the good thing is, with our modular system, we can cover a wide variety of requirements and offer the exactly right configuration for every customer.
Gennady, we all know that the digital transformation is in full swing. What does this mean for the multi-arrisser?
I think the multi-arrays is very well prepared for the digital future, and we already have some digital features in use. We have one feature, for example, for measuring and compensating the cup wheel wear. So we measure the wear in a digital way and compensate it with the software. The machine learns automatically, and the manual intervention is in this case not necessary anymore. In addition, we work on additional features. We would like to make data transparent for our maintenance teams. For example, we would like to show the energy consumption, the water consumption, compressed air consumption, and so on. And the idea behind that is that irregularities or leaks can be reported in a good time and corrected by the maintenance team. So I'm therefore convinced that the multi-arrays is very well prepared and equipped for the digital future.
Well, Gennady, thank you very much for this detailed information and our interview. And also to you, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your interest and your attention. If you would like to know more about our multi-arrays, please feel free to contact one of our worldwide sales team or visit our website glaston.net. See you soon for another Ask Glaston series episode. Thank you very much, take care and goodbye.